Hi. If you live in the Bay Area, you already know. Kids run in from the yard. Dog bowl spill. Rain sneaks in. Tenants drag chairs. Life happens. And then someone says, just get waterproof hardwood. What does it even mean? Is it real wood? Is it plastic? Is it just marketing? Let's break this down in simple words. No hype, just truth. Today we're talking about Woodura, made in Sweden since 1994, not designed in Sweden, made there. Big difference. Here are 7 biggest things homeowners need to understand before choosing waterproof hardwood flooring. Number 1, not all waterproof hardwood is the same. You'll see ads for waterproof hardwood flooring, engineered hardwood flooring, luxury vinyl plank, laminate flooring, scratch-resistant flooring. They all claim strength, but they're built very differently. Woodura is an engineered hardwood flooring, but not the old school kind. It uses a patented structure. That means other brands cannot copy it. Now, traditional engineered hardwood equals thin real wood on plywood. Woodura, real wood surface that is compressed and bonded in a different way, stronger and denser. Now, would you want normal plywood under your floor or something built like Scandinavian engineering? That's the first question. Number 2, yes, it's real wood, not plastic. This is very important. Luxury plank, laminate looks like wood. Woodura is wood. So with Woodura, you get real wood grain, real texture, real warmth. When the sunlight hits it, it reacts like wood. When you walk barefoot, it feels like wood. Now ask yourself, if you're investing in your own home, do you want printed plastic or the real thing? This is why many homeowners searching for the best hardwood flooring for kitchens end up here, because they want real wood, but they're scared of water. Number 3, it's waterproof, but let's define that. Waterproof does not mean flood your house and ignore it. No, it means spills won't soak through, mopping won't damage it, kitchen splashes won't cause swelling, and pet accidents won't destroy it. Traditional hardwood flooring expands and cups with moisture. Woodura has special waterproof core and surface structure that resists water intrusion. This makes it one of the most talked about options in waterproof hardwood flooring in Bay Area searches. If you live in places like Dublin, Danville, Walnut Creek, Napa, or even Marin County, you know humidity changes. This matters. Number 4, scratch resistant like no other hardwood. Regular hardwood scratches, period. Drop keys, slide chairs, dog nails, it will mark. Woodura uses a hardened wood surface technology. The top layer is compressed under extreme pressure. And what does that mean for you? Well, it means more dent resistance, better scratch resistance, stronger surface than traditional hardwood. Now here's the twist. Luxury plank is stony, but flexible. So while it resists some scratches, it can shatter under heavy impact. Woodura resists both scratching and impact better than many alternatives. So it's stronger than traditional hardwood and more impact resistant than many LVP floors. That's why we say it's the best of both worlds. Number 5, impact resistant for real life. Think about this. In the Bay Area, we see heavy dining tables, kitchen islands, tenants moving furniture, high heels, and gym equipment. Traditional hardwood can dent, LVP can compress. Woodura was built to handle impact better because of its compressed wood technology. Would that give you peace of mind if you plan to rent your home or if you have active kids? Many clients searching for durable wood flooring for rentals are surprised when they see this option. Number 6, it's green and low VOC. This matters. Many homeowners now search eco-friendly flooring, low VOC hardwood flooring, and sustainable wood flooring. Woodura is produced in Sweden under strict environmental standards. It uses sustainable wood sourcing, low VOC adhesives, and responsible manufacturing. The founder, an engineer who loved wood. Before Woodura, he started Pergo. Yes, that Pergo. He wasn't trying to make plastic floors. He wanted to make wood stronger. There's something beautiful about that story. It's a craftsman mindset, not just marketing team. Number 7, the honest downside. You lose refinishing. Now let's be clear. Traditional hardwood can be sanded and refinished as long as it has at least 4mm wear layer. Woodura cannot be sanded because of its waterproof and hardened surface layer. That is the trade-off. But you gain waterproof performance, scratch resistance, impact resistance, and in the meantime you lose the ability to refinish. So ask yourself, do you plan to sand your floor in 15 years? Or do you want something so strong that sanding isn't part of the plan? So who is this floor perfect for? It's great for busy families, rental properties, kitchen and open layouts, homeowners scared of water damage, and people who love real wood but want durability. It may not be ideal for historic homes that require side-finished solid hardwood, or clients who love the idea of refinishing multiple times. When someone searches hardwood versus luxury vinyl plank, this is often the middle path. Real wood, modern performance. Now, why local installation matters. Even the best material can fail with poor installation. In the Bay Area, we deal with concrete slabs, uneven subfloors, older homes, or mixed humidity levels. Proper prep is not optional. Would you trust a random installer who treats wood like vinyl, or someone who understands hardwood behavior? Material matters, but execution matters more. Now, waterproof hardwood used to sound like contradiction. Today, it's possible, but only if the structure supports it. Woodra is made in Sweden since 1994, created by an engineer who loves wood, patented so competitors cannot copy it, waterproof, scratch-resistant, impact-resistant, sustainable, and real wood. But it's not magic. It's engineered with purpose. If you're choosing floors for the next 20 years, slow down. Ask questions. Compare options. Because flooring regret is expensive. And peace of mind, that is priceless.